Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mubashir Sohail. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video I will tell you how to download videos from Google Drive. So let's start the video. First open your Gmail and log in your Gmail account. After logged in your Gmail account, search your Google Drive from your Android mobile and open it. After opening Google Drive, here you can see I have many videos and images and PDF files in my drive. Select that image or video which you want to download. Here you can see three dots and tap on download. Here your video or image which you want to download will be downloaded. Tap on locate file and here you can see I have downloaded my video Fireball, and here you can see my video has been downloaded from Google Drive. Take care of you and your family. Allah Hafiz.